In this video, I will show you how to spend Steam points on games. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Steam. So what you want to do is open up Steam first of all, and once you're logged into your account, if you come up to the top left hand corner and hover over the store option, you're going to get a drop down menu and you can see the point shop from here. So if you go ahead and click onto the point shop, you can see all the available things that you can spend your Steam points on. So this includes things, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, like for example avatars, backgrounds. So you can click onto these and you can purchase different things with your Steam points. To earn Steam points, all you need to do is purchase games from Steam and you'll get Steam points. You can see at the moment my balance is 6,730 points, and I can use this to of course purchase different things from the point shop. Now I have done some research and I've actually googled this as well. Now Steam points, although they can be used by avatars, backgrounds and more, they cannot unfortunately at the moment be used to buy actual games. So at the moment, coming back to Steam, you will see there's not actually any games available you can buy with points. However, you can use your points to buy things like avatars, backgrounds and different sorts of things that are available in the point shop on Steam. So that's how to go ahead and spend your Steam points on games. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.